Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to another video. So I have been getting tons of videos of Logan, how do I get back in the gym? You know, in some states, gyms are starting to open back up. And so I know for a lot of you, you've been away from the gym for a long time. Or maybe you're just one of these new year, new me's. It's time for you to get back to the gym, but you don't know how to start. How do you get back into a gym after a long layoff? Or how do you just get started into the gym? Because I know it can be very intimidating. So in today's video, I'm gonna give you 5 easy tips that anybody can follow on how to get back to the gym and how to get started. Now, before we dive into the video, I want to introduce myself. My name is Logan Delgado, aka Goody Beats. I am a proud father, a proud husband, and a proud son. I lost a total of 70 pounds utilizing the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting, and I've now dedicated myself to letting you guys know that it's never too late to become what you might have been. All right, so let's dive into it. I wrote all the tips right here. Now, these are gonna be super simple to follow. Anybody can do these, okay? So let's just start off with number 1. Keep it simple. When you're going back to the gym, don't overcomplicate it. Just get into the gym. You don't need to have some crazy layout of how you're gonna get back to the gym. Just get to the gym, go in there, do the exercises, keep it very simple. There's a great quote that we love to use here at Keto Coach, and what that is that complexity is the enemy of execution. So remember that, keep it simple. Okay, tip number 2, keep the workout short. When you're going back to the gym, or it's been a really long time since you've been to the gym, I'm telling you, you're probably gonna be out of shape, and going to the gym for an hour and a half, 2 hours, 3 hours for you psychos out there. Yes, I know there's people that train for 3 hours. It's crazy. Just keep it simple. 30 minutes to 45 minutes at the tops is all you need to get a good workout in. Look, I train with an IFBB Pro, and we only train for 45 minutes. So get in there, do what you need to do. Don't be on your phone, stay focused, and keep it short, at least for the first couple of weeks getting back into the gym. Okay, tip number 3, know your workout, okay? So know your workout for the day, know your workout for the week, etc. Plan it out. Know that if you're gonna go to the gym on Monday, are you gonna train chest? Are you gonna train back? Just have some idea of what you're gonna do. Because if you're just blindly going into the gym and you've been gone for a long time and you're just jumping from machine to machine to machine, you're training legs, you're training back, you're training chest, you don't really know what you're training, you're not going in there for a purpose. So again, just know what you're gonna go in there for, have some plan of execution on what you wanna do. Once you lay out your workouts for the week, like if you know you're gonna go to the gym for 3 days this week, okay, well then say, okay, I'm gonna do upper body, then I'm gonna do legs, and then I'm gonna do core on the next day, or whatever you wanna do. But just know your workout. Don't blindly go back to the gym after you've had a long layout and not really have a clue. You're just gonna kind of go in there and just do whatever. Simply write out a plan, write out your workout for the day and for the week, etc.
What's up everybody? So I want to give a huge shout out to Built Bar for sponsoring this video. If you have not tried Built Bar, what are you doing, fam? They are so delicious with over 18 flavors. I'm telling you, I have yet to taste a bar that I have not liked. So if you want to try these, I will have a link in the description below. Like I said, they're so convenient. I'm here editing this video that you're actually watching right now, and I'm going to take a quick break. Right here, I have a peanut butter. And what I love about Built Bar is that it is guilt-free. So you don't have to feel bad about eating this. And when it comes to texture, they're actually the best in the game. Look at that. Wow. Look how delicious that looks right there. And like I always mention, Built Bars are guilt-free, they're high in protein, they're also gluten-free and low calories. And as you can see with the flavor, the size, the texture of the bars are always consistent, promising an amazing Built Bar experience every time you take a bite. And if you missed my last video, you totally missed the ultimate hack when it comes to a Built Bar. Put this in the microwave for 10 seconds and sprinkle a little bit of sea salt on top, and wow, it tastes like a brownie. Depending on whatever flavor you get, it's just a melted kind of like chocolate lava bar. It is so good. It takes everything to the next level. If you guys are interested in trying a Built Bar, I highly recommend you get the variety pack. Like I said, it's gonna come with 18 different flavors. So I'm telling you, you're gonna enjoy them all, but I'm telling you, you're also gonna order whatever your favorite bar is. I haven't yet to pick one because I like them all. So Built Bar, if you're watching this, please send me more. I absolutely love these bars. I'm about to run out. And as a special bonus for you guys, I do have a link in the description below and a discount code to save yourself some money. So make sure you try out Built Bar. They're so good. Thank you for sponsoring this video. Absolutely love you guys. Let's get back to the tips.
Okay, tip number 4 for all you bros out there. No PRs. Look, if you've been away from the gym for a long time, you're most likely gonna be a little bit weaker than you were last time. Don't PR. There's no need to PR. I know a lot of you probably like, look, I've been away from the gym. I need to know what my standards are. I need to know what my goals are. I need to know how strong I am. Look, that is a great way for you to hurt yourself, especially if you've been away from the gym for a really long time or you're just getting into the gym. Now, if you're just getting into the gym and you don't know what PRs are personal records. So meaning that this is the most I've ever lifted in bench, in squat, in deadlift. It's just not a good time to do that. Get yourself familiar going back to the gym. At least wait a couple of weeks, if not months, before you even dive into PRs and even think about that, okay? You can always do that later on. So all you bros out there, don't go back to the gym that first week and do all these crazy PRs. You're gonna get hurt. And the last and final tip right here is have fun, guys. Have fun. The gym and exercise is meant to have fun. If you're not having fun, what are you doing? Okay? Find something that you enjoy doing. If you enjoy bodybuilding, if you enjoy CrossFit, booty workouts, cycling workouts, marathon running, marathon training, whatever that may be, find what you love to do that you want to get into, and so you have a general passion for it, right? If you don't have a passion for doing something, if you hate working out and you've been away from the gym for a long time, well, guess what? Odds are you're probably going to be away from the gym for a really long time pretty soon because you're doing something that you don't enjoy. Find the type of workout that you like and then go from there. Utilize these 5 simple, easy tips that anybody can use to get back to the gym and have a successful journey back to your fitness, back to your goals, back to just positive vibes and overall health. So I hope these tips did help you out. If they did, please hit that thumbs up. It definitely helps this video in the algorithm, so I would appreciate it if you did that. And if you think this video would help anybody on Facebook, please share this video. I would appreciate it. As always, guys, I absolutely love you. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.